How to trade on MT5 demo account. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app, and now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner. So let's tap on settings and let's tap on new account at the very first. So let's select Meta Course Limited from here because we want to open the demo account first. So you can see there is demo account at the top. So once you tap on that option, you need to complete your credentials, and once you complete it, simply enable the accept, and you can see the register option has been enabled. So you can simply tap on it, and once your demo account is created, you need to go back, and now you can see there is a chart option shown in the screen, but you can also go to quotes. So let's tap on quotes, which is at bottom left corner. Now let me select any of them from here. So let me select AUDCAD for now, and you can see there is trade options on the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there is buy and sell option. So you can simply select any of them according to your want. So let me tap on buy for now, and you can see my trade has been placed already. So basically this is how you can open your trade or place a trade on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.